Be honest with me. What does your bank pay you right now? Is it 1, maybe 2% a year? Well, in this video I'll be showing you how I am earning more than 10 times as much. On dollars, that is, not some random cryptocurrency. Now, I'm not just going to talk about this. I'll be showing you exactly how you can do the same, step by step on a brand new account. And because your timing happens to be good, you'll also be getting some great bonuses. If you follow along with this video, you'll already be up over $30 by the end. So where does a return like this come from and what's the catch? Let me show you. The platform I'll be talking about today is called 8Lends. 8Lends is a crowd lending platform built by the team behind Maclear, a Swiss TradFi lending platform. The idea is that real small businesses need loans that banks are too slow or too picky to give them. So they turn to regular investors like you and me to fund these loans instead. You pick a project, invest USDC, and the business pays you interest every single month. These rates go up to 25% a year and you get your entire principal back at the end of a term, which is often between 6 and 9 months. Now, I've already done a full platform review on 8Lends, which you can find right here if you're interested in this. A very short summary of the platform is as follows. 1. Every loan is backed by real collateral, equipment, vehicles, or property. 2. Every borrower passes a 40-point due diligence process and gets a risk rating between AAA and D. And 3. Every payment is on the blockchain, which means that nothing runs on trust alone. The track record so far, over $60 million funded with 0 defaults. That's the what. Let's now turn to the how. I'll show you step by step how you can get started on the 8Lends platform. Before we head over to the 8Lends website, there is 3 things we need to have ready. This will save you 20 minutes of confusion later. First, we need a crypto wallet that supports the Base chain. MetaMask or a Coinbase wallet both work fine. If you've never set up a crypto wallet before, it takes 5 minutes. I'll leave a guide below. Then we need USDC on Base. That is the dollar stablecoin we invest with. You can buy this through pretty much any regular crypto exchange, like Binance, Coinbase, or Maxi. After you buy USDC on one of these exchanges, you can withdraw them to your own crypto wallet. But make sure to choose the Base chain when withdrawing your coins. Finally, and this is the one most people forget, we need a couple bucks of ETH on our wallet. 8Lends itself charges 0 investor fees. But still, we do need some Ethereum to pay for gas fees on chain. On the Base chain, this is just a penny or so per transaction, so having a couple bucks in ETH is more than enough. Ready? Let's head over to 8Lends through the first link in the description. This link is my referral link. By using this, you massively help out the channel, while you also get access to a welcome bonus yourself. Once we're on the home page, we can sign up here. I would recommend signing up by connecting your wallet directly, as this saves us a couple steps later. We confirm our email, and immediately, here's something I want you to see. Right there, a $30 sign up bonus. The one and only condition is simple. Make your first investment within 14 days of opening your account. So the clock starts today. Don't sign up and let it sit for a month. Add a deadline to your calendar, or if you're ready, just make the investment immediately by following the rest of the video. You wouldn't believe how many times I have missed out on a bonus like this just because I thought I'll do it tomorrow just to completely forget about it. Anyway, let's continue with the investment. The next step is verification. 8Lends is Swiss regulated, which means proper KYC. If you are already in the crypto or investment markets, you've probably done this hundreds of times before, so it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Also, if you're planning to invest less than 500 USDC, you can just skip the KYC altogether. Okay, we're verified and our wallet is connected. Now for the fun part. Every card here on the marketplace is a real business looking for a loan. But we need to know how to read this, because this is where we go from gambling to actual investing. The period is simple. For this specific project, it is 6 months. So we lend out our money for 6 months, after which the entire principal is paid back. Then the APR. Again, you probably know what this is. This is the annual percentage rate, so how much we are earning per year. The risk rating is another very important factor. Every borrower gets rated between AAA and D. AAA is the safest, D is the least safe. Then the collateral. These are real assets pledged against the loan. Now, what kind of asset is pledged actually matters just as much as the value. Here's my quick hierarchy. The best collateral is hard and easy to sell. Real estate, vehicles, or machinery, for example. A fleet of vans has a market price. Commercial property also has a market price. If things go wrong, we have something to sell. We have to be a bit more skeptical about soft collateral, things like company shares or share capital pledges. That is because shares in a struggling company are worth the least at the moment we need to sell them. This specific project is backed by company assets. If we go into the details, we can see that these assets are mostly pledged food industry machinery, which is exactly what we want to see. Alright, it all checks out, so I'm going with this project. We click invest and enter the amount. I'm going with $100, the minimum investment amount. We confirm the investment in our crypto wallet, pay the small gas fee in Ethereum, and done. That's it. My money is now part of a loan to a real business. And starting next month, the interest payments will automatically be landing in our wallet. From here on out, it is completely passive. Every month we get an interest payment straight to our wallet. The dashboard tracks everything and you'll receive a monthly report in your email. It doesn't show anything for me right now because this is a completely new account. But if we take a look at my McClare account, we can see that this is what it should look like after a couple of months. My plan is to start small. I have decided to invest a couple $100 over the next 6 weeks. That is because the 6% cashback expires in 45 days and of course I want to make the most out of my investments before that time. Then if all of it works out in the coming months and some of the principals get paid back, I will be investing some more money on the platform. Once again, this isn't financial advice, it's just how I handle my own money. So that's the full process. From sign up to investment in less than 15 minutes. If you're interested in trying out the platform, make sure to use my referral link in the description of this video to get the $30 sign up bonus as well as a 6% cashback on your investments. Let me know in the comments which projects you are invested in. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.